us start part 5, chapter 11, areas and its boundary, class 5 NCERT. In this video, we will see share the land at page number 152 to 153. So let us start. Nasrina is a farmer who wants to divide her land equally. Her land equally among her three children, Chumki, Jhumki, and Imran. She wants to divide the land so that each piece of land has one tree. Her land looks like this. So Nasrina is a lady farmer. She has a land looks like this, and she wants to divide this land equally in her three children, Chumki, Jhumki, and Imran. She wants to divide land so that each part should have one tree. How many trees are there in the field? Three trees. So she wants every child get one tree. Okay. So what is the area? If one square is 1 square meter, if the area of one square is 1 square meter, so what is the area of total field? So we can know this by counting the squares. We have already learned this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total area is 9 into 10. That is 90 square meter. Now what will be the share of one child? Share of each child, because she wanted to divide equally among three. So 90 divided by 3, which will be equal to 30 square meter. So each child will get 30 square meter of land, means 30 squares, and 30 squares should be divided as each field will get one tree. Okay, so share of each child is 30 square meter. Can you divide the land equally? Yes, we have already divided the land equally. Each child will get 30 square meter. Show how will you divide it. Remember, each person has to get a tree. Color each person's piece. So here it is. We can divide like this. Now you can see this is part of one child. This is part of second child. And remaining is part of third child. So what was the condition? Each part should have one tree. This is okay. Each child should get equal. Yes, you can see 1, 2, 3. And this is 9. So 9 3s are 27 plus 1, 2, 3, 30 square meter. Now count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and here 3. 5 3s are 15. Up to here 15 squares, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So second part is also 30 square meter and third will also 30 square meter, because total is 90. Okay. Now see, if each square on this page is 1 square meter of the land, how much land will each of her child get? 30 square meter. Chumki, Jhumki and Imran need wire to make a fence. ठीक है, who will need longest wire and who, how much wire in all they need. Okay, so you can see how much wire this first child will need. You can count, just count the square: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So, first child, Chumki needs 28, 28 meter. Okay. In this way, you can find length of Jhumki field and length of Imran field. Okay. So count the square and it's your homework. What is the length of Jhumki's field and what is the length of Imran field? And write in comment box who will need longest fence and how much wire in will they need. Okay, so first need 28 meter, you need to count for second, you need to count for third and add this for this answer, and out of 3 which is longest you can write here. So you will count fencing of all 3 shares. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.